Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can make Jotform template. So templates save time when creating similar forms repeatedly. So once you open your Jotform, you will go to your forms area, which is right here. Then what you will do is you will select a form, but if you don't have one that yet, then you can just go ahead and create one. So for example, I will create something out of scratch. So just either choose from classic form or card form. It really depends on you. So just wait for it to load. And once you're here, you will just have to edit it, of course, based on your liking. And then once you're done with your form, once you're satisfied, what you will do is basically just click this more option right here, and what you will do is you will share it as a template. And yeah, that's basically it. You will just use that template for your future forms or whatsoever. So yeah, that's it. You can just edit as needed. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.